Okay, so I've opened up my box. Well, I haven't opened it up. I've cut the seal. So they all come in these beautiful brown boxes. It's like proper, they know how to do packaging. And it's very exciting what I've got here. It's a PCA skin, and it's a revitalizing mask. I said to them how much I love masks. I do masks religiously. So, I've just read the back. So it's an exfoliating mask. So it's got your papaya enzyme in it, plus your antioxidants. So literally right up my alley. I'm definitely putting this on tonight. I'm going to take this downstairs with me right now. I'll let you guys know how I get on with those though. So the first one was the Revitalizing Mask from PCA Skin. I hadn't heard of the brand before. It's a new launch on Dermastore. So if you haven't heard of it, you can go check out what it's all about there. Very impressive ingredients. It's a medical grade product, as lots of them are on Dermastore. So this Revitalizing Mask, you can use it once a week. I've actually used it more than once a week, but don't go by what I do. Like, my skin isn't sensitive. I can use quite hectic products on it and get really good results. So essentially this mask is going to be really good with rejuvenating your skin, giving it a good exfoliation. The way it exfoliates, it's got your papaya enzyme in here. So there are no granules in here. It's not going to irritate your skin at all, but it is going to rid the skin of your dead skin cells, which is amazing. So this is the kind of product I personally reach for when my skin is just looking a bit dull. And my other products that I layer on are not absorbing properly, because as soon as you have your dead skin cells there, no product is going to be able to penetrate like it should normally penetrate. So I have used this 4 times. I've actually also used it twice on Mark too. So what it looks like, it's like a gel sort of mask. It's a very light colored mask like that. You can see a very kind of green gel that doesn't look as appetizing as it smells. In terms of scent, the only way I can describe it is that it smells like a spa product, which is really, really pleasant. I actually haven't used an enzyme mask that smells this good. It says leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. I left mine on for longer. Lastly, you only need a thin layer of this. So this tube, I can imagine, would last you really long. Honestly, like the thinnest layer, I feel like I needed one little dollop and it covered my whole face. But yeah, my skin felt smoother after using this product. It definitely was glowier. I actually used it last night. It was just so easy to use. It didn't tingle my skin, so I can imagine for sensitive skins this really would be a good option. It didn't feel like it was stripping my skin at all. Wiped it off with a wet face cloth. To get your glow back, rejuvenate the skin, get rid of your dead skin cells. Obviously, all of that has benefits of hydration, anti-aging, pigmentation even. I mean, it's endless, and exfoliating is like a key thing I believe that so many people are doing incorrectly in their routine, which is leading to oversensitivity or leading to their skin looking dull and dehydrated, products not penetrating properly. You have to exfoliate properly, and you need to do it with good products.